How to change the weather forecast temperature until to Celsius Fahrenheit in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on calendar app. Now here, so click on this three line icon. So after click on this three line icon, click on settings icon. Now in setting, scroll down and click on show weather forecast. So after click on show weather forecast, so click turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on weather settings. So if you want to change weather forecast, so click on until. So if you want to change until, so select. After selecting Celsius and Fahrenheit, so after selecting, after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change the weather forecast temperature until to Celsius Fahrenheit in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.